Chef Jeff, the Rogue Chef here. Just wanted to show you a new piece of equipment I got here. It's a sous vide machine. If you don't know what that is, it's basically slow cooking but immersed in water, but you're in a bag that's vacuum sealed. So here I have some fillets, and what I'm doing is I just season this in some seasoned olive oil, salt, pepper, some garlic, shallots, and some herbs. And what I'm doing is just putting them in the bag. And this is a bag that I'll be able to vacuum seal. And what this will do is it'll cook it to the perfect mid-rare. I've been messing with it ever since I got it, and I found the right temperature for the right amount of meat. And it's just trial and error. So this will get this to a perfect mid-rare. And what this is gonna do is this is a little air pump. And if you see here, there's an air valve here, and it'll seal through there. So put this on there. And it will take a little bit, but then as you can see back here, and you can already see it's pulling the air out. So in a sense, what it'll do is get all the seasoning, it'll help penetrate the meat. So as you can see, it's vacuum sealed. It's almost in my preset temperature of 131 degrees. And what I'll do is I will put these in now and put the grate on top, lock it in so it keeps it submerged. And then once it gets up to temperature, the timer will start. These will be in here for about 30 to 35 minutes. All right, now I'm gonna take the rack out now that our meat has been cooking in here for about 40 minutes. And we'll let this rest. These are all finished. I'm just searing them and bringing them back up to temp.